Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Beroskar Engineer. Today's video is related with Valorant. How you can restore your default setting in Valorant. I will tell you in this video. You just need to follow some simple steps that will help you to fix this problem. Hope you like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start this video. So first of all, you need to right click on the start window section and window button came out here. Then you can see the option of run. Tap on this, and when this option came out, there is option of type local app data. You can see that Valorant. You need to delete the Valorant app folder. That will help you to fix this problem. So you need to delete the downloaded Valorant folder, and your all the settings will be reset to default. So this is method number first, and this does not work by chance, so you can try the method number second. In the method number second, only setting can reset are the crosshair setting. There is a button to reset this, however all the other devices don't have a button to reset this. So crosshair setting button you need to click on, and that will help you to fix this problem. So in this way you can fix this problem, and you can reset your Valorant to defaults. And if you want to know any further information regarding this matter, you can simply comment down. I will reply your each and every query. Thank you guys, and for upcoming updates you can subscribe our channel Beroskar Engineer.